We are at Baddesley Clinton, Warwickshire, United Kingdom. So I'll just say thank you for watching. And we're walking around one of the lakes here. And we've got a one-way system going. Well, it's one way for most people. One or two understandably sort of missed it. But we're going past this lovely lake. Beautiful autumn colours that we're walking through. All these leaves here, you can see that the trees are turning colour now, and of course they will learn dear, we should do bloopers at the end of this. We will they're leaving their colour, changing their colour rather, and dropping their leaves, dropping them all on the evergreens as well. Look at that, colours over there, the reds and the yellows and the greens in the middle on that little island. Water lilies over there in the background. Walking from this used to be a lovely walkway. It's nice now, but either side used to be rhododendrons. And they've chopped a lot of them down for some reason.
Nancy, you see it coming?
There's a lovely oak here, beginning to change colour. And there's some little quackers down there. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. A white duck. Hello, quackers. Hello, Dave. You all right, mate? Yes, I'm good, thank you. And you? Oh, I'm quackers. Very good. Glad he's okay. Actually, I think it was a she. All the leaves dropping into the water there. Bit of a blow, as you can see, which is why I'm glad I've got my microphone that's protected from the wind. Hopefully you can't hear wind noise. There's nothing worse than wind noise. There's walks out into the countryside, but I think they'll stay by the lake. Here comes White Ducky again, rushing across here. I've got the impression the speed they're doing, they're under the misapprehension that we've got food. Why else would they make such a beeline for us? Who are you after? No, it's not me they're after. Where are they going? I wonder. Yep, they're coming to see us. Hello, duck. Quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. Hello. You come to see me? Quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. You wouldn't be asking for food by any chance, would you? I think they may be. He's given up. There's the lake and the island you can see over there. I think that a lot of these trees have still got to go a lot more in terms of colour change. No, I feel quite sorry that they've chopped down a lot of the rhododendrons, because they really were beautiful in the spring. Wonderful, wonderful colours and everything. It just chopped them all down. And it was years ago when they did it, and I heard, oh, they're going to put it back with flower borders and stuff as it was way back when. But my question is, when are you going to make it like way back when? The water lilies, of course, are not having flowers at the moment. There's a knot of trees down there. They are very big laurels. Look at them. There's a lot of them. Gorra, laura, laurel, as they say. Well, with this wonderful view across the lake, I'm going to say goodbye. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to like and share. And I'd be most grateful for extra subscribers, so thank you if you're subscribing. And bye from Baddesley Clinton in Warwickshire, United Kingdom. This is the Rambling Rambler saying bye for today. Goodbye. It's Dave to his friends.